Hi, I'm Lisa from Philosophy. If you're like me and you love beauty, makeup, skincare, fragrance, body product, whatever it is, if it falls under that beauty category, you may be struggling to keep your bathroom clean and organized like I used to be. Something I did about 10 years ago was I invested in this shoe bag that you can see behind me. That's my bathroom door, the inside of my bathroom door. I hung the shoe bag on the door and I took all of those products that were cluttering up my sink, my countertop, and around my bathtub, and I streamlined it. I pulled out just the products that I use every single day or at least once a week, and I put them in here. This is sort of my show row. These are my liquid foundations that I wear when I'm on the air. These are some of my favorite brushes, my favorite concealers, and my favorite powders. Then when you come down to the next row, this is sort of where I live. So these are a few of the products that I use every day on my face. These are some of my lipsticks and eye products that I like to wear. I do a lot of Mally, I do a lot of Tarte, a lot of Dalton. I sort of have a lipstick addiction. I am embarrassed to say this, it's not in a bragging way, but I probably have over 200 lipsticks. So this is my streamlined pocket. These are the ones that I grab for over and over again. In here, I keep some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I like palettes so that I can just take one thing if I'm going somewhere and I don't have to take a bunch of little pieces. And then this is my favorite pocket probably of all of my makeup because I don't wear lash extensions, I don't wear false lashes, and I don't have microbladed brows, although I'm intrigued by all of that. I do it all myself, and these are sort of the products that I found give me the look that I'm going for without spending all that money. So these are sort of like my secrets, my beauty secret row. If you have skin like me that shows veining, lining, all kinds of, my skin just shows imperfections. I use this on my legs when I'm wearing a dress or sometimes even shorts. It's by Westmore Beauty, and I also use this one by Vita Liberata. It's called Body Blur. These are like makeup for your body. If you can put a moisturizer on, you can put these on. They don't come off on your sheets. They don't come off on your clothes. This is my most used pocket. I start and end my day every day with Purity Made Simple and my Clarisonic. Morning and night, I use both of these. Once a week, I've been for about maybe 12 years, I've been using the Micro Delivery Resurfacing Peel. It's a 2-step peel. I swear by it. I think that this is one of the biggest game changers that I've ever experienced in terms of my skin. Over here, I have these products that I use a couple times a week. My main concern is oiliness and clogging, so I use the Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor at least twice a week. Then come down here, I've got my hair brushes that I use every single day, my hair ties that I use. My favorite fragrance right now with Philosophy is Living Grace. This is the Satin Finish Body Oil Mist. I put this on my body when I get out of the shower. Then I put on my spray fragrance. So I hope that helped you. Sorry, that was my hand. But if this helps you get a little bit more organized, I'll be really, really happy. My philosophy is if you can keep your bathroom organized and if you can find your products in any kind of category within 15 seconds, your day will be off to a great start and it'll be a lot less stressful.